Welcome to the tutorial video of GrabGuidance. GrabGuidance is a portal where we are connecting learner with expert on one-to-one virtual basis. In this video, I'll be sharing how to use your dashboard and you can see your upcoming sessions, past sessions and reviews. Just go to the home page of GrabGuidance, enter www.grabguidance.com. Click on User Sign In on the extreme right of the header. Enter your mobile number. Click on Login. Here enter your OTP code. Now I have signed in my user account. Now go to the extreme right of the header. Click on this drop down arrow. You will see dashboard. Click on this dashboard. This is your dashboard. Here you will see the upcoming events. It means your upcoming session with the expert. Your personal details will be below. And on the header you will see session option. You just click on the session option. You will see two things, upcoming and past. It means your upcoming session and past session. In upcoming session you will see all the information related to your session. You have a session at 8 AM till 8:40 AM on 3rd of July. Session will be of 40 minutes. User query will be here, and I have booked a session with Dr. Himanshu Puri. So my query is, I wanted to learn issue and redemption of debentures. How you will join the session? You can join the session 10 minutes before the scheduled time. It means at 7:50 AM the link will be generated. You will see the yellow color tab over here in which join the session will be mentioned. Just click on this tab and you will be redirected to the live session. This is all about upcoming session. And when I click on past session, so here also you will see sessions information, that I had a session today at 7 PM till 7:20 PM. I booked a session with Ankita and my query was that I wanted to know about the courses I can opt for UG except BCom and BBA. Here it is, view the session tab. You can just click on this tab and you will be able to see your session you had with the expert. Now click on review. Here you will see review if you gave it to any expert. Okay, so it is dashboard, sessions and review. Now you can log out. Just go to the right side of the header, click on log out. Thank you for watching tutorial video of GrabGuidance.